Hi, Dave from 4 to 4 Golf. Part 2 of the stroke play against Tom. We are both 5 over.
5 over through 5 with 1 par along the way.
Quality golf there. Let's go.
Back into the zone.
Aiming at that left flag, the left white flag.
Pure. It's a great way to start your back 4. Good shot, mate.
Thank you, mate.
Good shot.
It's a little frustration in that.
All right, well, my last drive that I hit was on the 12th hole, and it was a worm burner. But I feel like I've got the ability.
Got your mojo back.
That's it. It's a dippy one again, but it's in the fairway.
It's fine.
I made sure it went out to the right.
Perfect, mate.
Cheers.
Shut. I don't mind saying, Tom, at this time of day, this is about my favourite spot on the entire golf course.
Yeah, it does look nice up the hill. Up the hill. All right, I'm going to hit a 4 iron and try and leave myself. Actually, what am I doing? I just don't hit the 4 iron very well, do I? I'm trying to be smart, but how's it being smart when you're hitting a club that you can't hit?
It's nothing like decisiveness.
Just hit your hybrid. Aim at the bunker on the right.
Pick a target, hit it.
And then it's going to be like a 56 or a 52 over those bunkers. Get through it all, get through it all. Get through it. Go.
Oh, that's not... Oh,
I'd
no,
love
it's
to be able to
roll back to the middle. I thought that was up the face of the bunker, but...
Jesus, that slipped out of my hand.
You right there, mate? I know there's no grip on them, but... All right, I have come to the conclusion that I'm going for it. Mr. Heath will be very pleased. 230 to the flag.
Fade off the bunkers.
Well, it'll end
If it
up
stays
all right.
left, it's still not too bad.
Oh, I missed that tree.
Past it, I think.
Did past the tree?
Past it, I didn't see it cross it, so... And now you got all that green to work with. And that was a bad shot, so it's not too bad.
Thanks, mate.
Well, you know what I mean.
I do, yeah.
It's not at all what you wanted to do.
It was a good bad one.
All right, I'm not attacking the pin anymore with the 8. Worst case, I want to chip up at it.
It's a cracking strike, mate, and it is all over it.
Sit.
Glorious. Great shot.
Turns out I attacked it. Woo. That was terrible, terrible filming, but that's where I managed to stick it to. That's a great shot. Come back down a bit.
It's right, isn't it?
I think there's a lot more break in this than I think. Miss it high.
Ooh, it's a good 5, mate.
Cheers.
You don't get a shot here, though, do you? No, I know we're playing stroke play.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. I think on stroke days, some of the par 5s
different.
you actually do anyway.
It's different. Yeah, to be fair, it's not even worth worrying about, is it?
5 over through 6. Slow down the hill.
It's a good read.
Woo! Good sense of humour too.
Oh, it's a bit scungy, but it'll work. Yeah, it'll be okay. It was very low. Hit it there again. Ripper.
Sit down a little, but yeah, good drive.
Perfect, mate. That's going to come in like a long jumper. No, a long ski jumper. You know what I mean. Okay, just probably straight at the flag, and if it drifts right, that's okay.
Yes. Catch a piece. Catch a piece. It's only the wind. Oh, pin eye. It's only the wind that took it the end of the way there, I think.
Yep.
That was good.
Time, mate.
Wrong buggy.
It is wrong buggy.
Ping!
That's not my bag, man.
So beautiful.
Copyright
Emergency
strike
stop.
now.
Oh! I didn't know. I thought for a minute there, I thought you didn't know what I'd just done. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, he's just about to just go
we're good.
straight into my new baby. Oh, I'm sat on a little tufty.
You are, mate. I don't know if that's going to make that easier or harder. Right, off you go. Yeah, that is just sort of like sat in the middle of one of those tufts, isn't it?
Downwind, I'm going to go an 8 iron again, and I've just got to get the ball before the tuft. Feeling good with it though.
And I'm feeling good. Bit high on the face, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah, it's just come up short, but
When I
it's
said
chasing
short.
up. It's got a piece of the green.
Alrighty. I am on the green, but I am far away. I think it's just dead straight. If I said it
Nice.
was dead straight, why did I push it a metre?
Very nice.
Good the weight though. Good to
All
get
about
the-
pace from there, mate. All about the pace. All right, it's only just off the green, but it's on a big upslope. Got to chip it. Putting's not really an option here.
No. It's a good effort.
Need to hit it a bit harder, mate. Yep, just going straight.
Great putt.
Thank you. Is that 2 pars in a row, mate? I had to check. Yeah, it is.
It is. I was trying to think of something to say about my own score. I was like, yeah.
Well, this is for 2 pars for you as
It
well.
is, but I just didn't want to. Just think about the putt, mate. It's for bogey. The putt's for bogey. Don't know why I'm reading it. Yours just went straight.
Bit of a push. Unlucky, bud.
Stripe.
Oh, it's a bit toey. I don't think it's going to get there.
Didn't
Yeah.
quite see it down. Is that it on the little hill
Just,
on the right?
just by the little carts sign.
What'd you hit?
A very toey 5 iron.
It is downwind, isn't it?
So much so the divot that you see there, my tee was completely on the right hand side of it.
I'll just go the 4 then.
It was borderline toe shank, honestly. Sorry to bring up that word.
And I go, stripe, David. Sounded nice.
See how good those P770s are, mate. Thin to win.
Get out of the thick stuff.
It's going fine. I think it's going to make front edge.
Yeah. Just get it on the green and release. Nothing chippy, spinny, special stuff.
Go. Oh yeah, it took quite a firm bounce. It's okay.
Didn't fly it far enough, but that's much better. Good shot.
Thank you. I've got a straight putt here, bud.
Same. Maybe a little right to left. Just have a knit it.
Didn't hit it.
So disappointing.
4.
Oh, it broke right. Actually broke right, quite substantially.
Good eyes. Bugger. All right, 6 over and 7 over going down the last. Okay, hole 18. Water at 250, 240 metres, but got wind behind, so just a hybrid.
Scungy.
Oh, hit a bird.
Did ya?
Yeah, just about the time where I went like that, and it's gone nowhere.
Did it hit the bird and stop?
Oh, it's kind of, yeah, it took about, it's probably taken like 60 metres off of it.
Are you caring more about that or the bird?
I'm obviously care for all wildlife, but it also just robbed me of 60 metres, so. Wow, what a bad shot. Cramping up, mate. Not physically, mentally.
I was going to say, it's pretty relaxed 9 holes walking golf, mate, eh? Like, not in the gym or anything. I'm hitting another, whether it's on or off camera. Move, birds!
So that actually
That's
hit
just
one of the sprinkler heads.
I heard that.
Yeah. Right. Tom's hitting another to satisfy his curiosity, but he's going to play that first one. That's what just assisted your tee shot.
Oh, is that what it bounced on?
Bounced off those, and then has ended up like almost down by the water.
But we've only walked about 5 metres from the tee.
I will just point out that all of these birds are safe and well. None of them are damaged in any way.
Mentally?
I mean, I don't know their past, their history, but none of them are physically damaged from what I did. Thank you, Peter. Okay, so you'd say wind assisted, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But what if it hits a parrot and it takes distance off? What do you call that? Parrot-hampered drive. Means that now my layup is, or rather, I've got 160 metres just to get over the water.
I still love it how you're angry at the bird for getting in the way of your ball.
Yeah, it got in the way, man. Right, 3-wood. Gonna go pretty much direct at the flag. It's wind behind, I don't need to hit it hard.
Let's make a couple birdies, eh?
Please listen to yourself, David. You do not need to hit it hard. Just committed. Might be a shot of the day.
Shouldn't reach the bunker, should it?
No, I don't think so.
It's a great shot, mate.
Thank you.
A great
Finally. Uh-oh.
Fuck off.
Droppy.
Yeah, take it down there, but...
Yep. Right, Tom has his 4th shot in play. Cracking shot, mate. That's the one. It's short of the green, but...
Yeah, it was a little
great
chunky,
hit.
but I just had to make sure I hit the deck on it. Oh, he's gone upstairs with it.
Sit down.
Spin.
Oh, it's massive, but it is spinning. Yeah.
And blue is middle, so you're probably just past pin high in the end.
Yeah, it's okay, but
it's a lovely shot though, eh?
Yeah, it was a good hit. It was just way too much. Bit of adrenaline going there, buddy.
Yes, feel it. Left of the pin.
Can you feel it? Oh, grippy.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful, mate. That is, from here, it looks like a kick in.
1.5 feet.
Great shot, mate.
Thank you.
Ew. It's very nice, Thomas.
Thank you. I might just
So you've got that for a
6. I'm just going to get rid of it, eh?
Yeah, go for it.
I knew as soon as I said I'm just going to get rid of it. And then that's all you're thinking about, innit? And then the same one.
Oh my goodness, mate, come on. All right.
Just wait your turn on Club Champs Day, eh?
Yeah.
How'd you fancy this?
Can you leave it in, actually?
Yeah, good idea. Oh dear. I'd love to beat you one of these days, eh? Feels like a lifetime.
I thought playing normal golf like would help you, but
hit the pin. Get there. Get there. What? Get there? How's it not got there?
that's where you just missed from, right?
I think I had an extra inch.
I don't like the pin in for that distance.
Yeah,
I
neither
think it
did
makes
I.
the hole look
I
too
just
small.
thought, just didn't think, basically. Anywho. Well in, mate.
Thank you very much.
Well
Cheers,
in.
buddy. So
Six
over
over,
for
so
me.
I think it ended up being
Yeah.
10.
6 over for me and
Yeah.
a few more for you.
Yeah.
If you did enjoy the video, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and share it around. Why not? Let's do that. Yeah, anyway.
Everyone I know that's watching my video that I'm shared, share it as well. Not my video, but the video
Listen to
that
the
I
man.
shared.
He knows things.
You know what I mean?